Hello. Today, let's talk about the possibilities of using SIM cards on your HONOR Magic 8 Pro smartphone. Yes, with that smartphone, you're able to manage different kind of SIM cards. You can use the old school physical SIM cards, nano SIM cards. You can use two SIM cards in once. You can use an eSIM, or you can use a physical SIM card plus an eSIM or a standalone SIM. First, you will need such a card or an eSIM, embedded SIM, and a SIM card extraction tool shown here on the right side. You see, this nano SIM comes with a chip. This chip contains a frame. And the frame has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges. Okay, so you can see that this is not a 90 degrees edges like the other. This is really important for installation process. Okay, so have a look. It's really small. Oh yeah, let's go to the bottom side. You see here on the bottom side, you see USB-C. You see here the speakers. You see here a hole, and you see here another hole. And this here is for talk to this microphone. Okay, you do not penetrate over there. Penetrate this area here, really important, because this is the cover, the SIM card cover area. You push it into the system. Then you can remove the SIM card tray out of its bay. And then you see the SIM card, the nano SIM card, and you see the edges are matches. Yeah, the edges are matches, and you see it stays there. Why it stays there is because you can install another SIM card on the opposite side, on the other side as well. Okay, now let's reinstall it again. Here we push it back in position, and then we are able to see what's going on here. Got it. So now you can see in SIM management system, you can see there is the SIM card which we installed in SIM Bay 1. It's a physical SIM card. Okay, it is enabled. It comes with a card name, it comes with a phone number, and it comes with a possibility to convert it to eSIM. Then of course you can also install another nano SIM card into bay number 2. That's possible. Or you use an eSIM. For an eSIM transfer, please note, set the screen lock on the other device. Activate an eSIM on the other device. Do not exit during the transfer in order to avoid transfer failures. Okay. That means if you have another phone with an active eSIM, an eSIM is an embedded SIM card. That means an embedded SIM card is installed already on your chip system, on your main board of your smartphone. And it works only with data that you enable or disable it. And you can transfer a SIM from another device to that device here. So set up a new eSIM. Okay, that means you have a contract with a provider, and the provider gives us an information, a QR code, or of course an activation code. We can now scan the QR code of our provider to enable the eSIM, embedded SIM, on that device for our contract. Or you can enter the activation code. Okay, or of course we can make scan from the photo. That's possible too. And then we have an activated SIM card as well, like the physical SIM card. And then you can make here the presets, default mobile data with SIM Bay 1 or SIM Bay 2, default SMS SIM, SIM 1 or SIM 2, default calling SIM, or call forward between the SIMs. You can enable and make a program. That means SIM 1, Bay 1 to 2 or something else. And of course, you can remove your SIM card and control your device without a SIM card. It's possible, yes, because you can use it as a Wi-Fi connected phone. Here we are. Get it back in position and push it down. And then it will be possible to use such a phone without a SIM card, because now the SIM card bays are empty, but also you can use it, but not mobile, of course. Yeah. So this possibilities, your HONOR Magic 8 Pro can be operated with SIM card. That means you can use 2 physical SIM cards on it. You can use 1 physical SIM card plus an eSIM, or you can only use an eSIM, or you can only use 1 physical SIM card as well, using your HONOR Magic 8 Pro in different kinds of broadcast mobile stuff, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!